Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of One More Cast Fishing. Now you're probably wondering where I am right now. I'm at work. I work in a fitness center at the college that I just graduated from. No one's in here right now, so I figured I'd do this. I've been editing my video, and for some reason, my intro, the one intro little clip insert, it's not loading, it's not working. It's basically crashed. It's null. It's just whatever. So I trashed it, threw it out. So I had to make a new one. Here it is. Guys, this video, this is a good video. This is gonna be epic. This is the first, if not first, we've never seen it, first ever nationwide YouTuber fishing tournament / challenge. That's right. It's gonna be nationwide. There are 4 anglers in this. Me, Westo Angling. He came up with this idea. His link will be in the description below. Guys, go check out his channel. He did an intro vid, introduced all the anglers, and he gave the rules and regulations for this little tournament we came up with. But yeah, Westo Angling, link in the description below. McGrath Fishing, that's number 2. DC Bronzies, and last but not least, myself. All these guys are cool, chill dudes. I'm excited to be in this tournament with them. But yeah, Westo Angling came up with this idea. He came to us and asked us if we want to be in it, and we wanted to, so here we are. Real quick, the rules, so you can follow this video with ease. I'm not going to go into detail. I'm just going to give you the gist, a little rundown. So rule number 1, we have each fisherman has an hour to fish, so we have an hour fish limit time. We have to show the camera what time it is when we make our first cast, and then we have to show the time when the hour is up. And any fish caught in between that hour time, we have to show the time that the fish was caught. So that way it eliminates the cheating aspect of it. Now, granted, these guys, they're chill dudes, they're really cool, they're great guys. They're not gonna cheat, I know it. And myself included, we're not like that. We're just out here trying to do something new for you guys, create something for you that you guys will enjoy. We're just out here to have a good time and catch some fish. Rule number 2 has to be bank fishing and strictly largemouth bass fishing, okay? Strictly largemouth, only bank fishing. Can't go out on boats, can't catch smallmouth, can't catch any other species of fish, just largemouth. Because largemouth bass are available, they're available to all 4 anglers. Lastly, this is round 1. I am going against DC Bronzies. That is right, DC. We're gonna go catch some fish today. This is round 1. The person who catches the most fish within the hour, doesn't matter size, it could be little baby bass, it could be 5-10 pound largemouth, does not matter. Whoever catches the most fish moves on to the next round. Guys, this is gonna be cool. This is gonna be good. DC, good luck, buddy. Let's go get them. All right, guys, time is 7:25. Lines are in. So that means I have an hour, or basically until 8:25 to catch as many fish as I can. Hopefully there'll be more than DC. Let's just get right to this. First cast. Ooh. Right, guys, first cast, literally. Guys, literally, first cast, 7:26. That's fish number 1. Let's get her back in the water real quick. Let's get a release on her. Okay, that fish was ready to go. All right. Guys, as I catch fish, I'm just gonna be going super fast tonight. You're not gonna get any headshots. I'm just gonna show the fish in time, and I'm just gonna go with it. I don't have time to lollygag and mess around. I just gotta be fast and just again, catch as many fish as I can. Hopefully I can get a lot. There's a fish. Get up here. Okay. Quit flopping. Fish number 2. It's been 5 minutes. Get her back in the water real quick here. Go on. All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie. 2 fish in 5 minutes is not bad at all. And what's cool about this whole tournament that we're doing together is that we are in a group chat to communicate with each other and contact, and we had to figure this whole deal out with each other. So obviously we can talk to each other and everything, but we have no idea what each angler is doing or what's going on, or like how their video went, or if they fished. Like, we really don't. We're gonna find out how each angler did the same time you guys do. When these videos drop, that's when we will find out when these how these anglers did. And so that's what makes it cool, because usually when you do something like this, usually the anglers are together and they kind of, you know, they collab together, they meet up, fish together in the same spots. But this is different because, again, we're fishing in our own states, you know, because we can't get out to each other. We don't have the resources or income to do that. And so we're just trying to make it as easy as we can. And this whole setup, thanks to Westo Angling, and, you know, McGrath, DC, and I had some part in it too, you know, helping figure it out. But, you know, this whole thing is just cool, and you don't see it often. So I'm excited to see how this pans out and how everyone does. Okay, I'm not liking this. You guys see this right here? Look at that, that's algae, and out there is algae growing too. This spot is just not fishable right now, so I'm gonna move down. I got 2 from that spot. I'm happy. It did me well. Now we're gonna try over here. Fish just waked. Boom! I don't know if you guys can hear that. I am at this golf course pond that I fished. I've made a couple videos here. I did choose this spot because, well, there's a league going on right now, so that's where all that commotion is. Get in here. Quick, quick. Yes. Okay. This is fish number 3. Small little itty bitty guy. He's a cute one. He's just obviously just hatched, but yeah, currently 7:39. 15 minutes gone by basically. Yeah, let's get this fish back in. See you, buddy. All right, 3 fish, 15 minutes. Not bad at all. I'll take it. It is 7:46. There's one. Stay on, stay on. Get up here. Yes. Whew. Fish number 4, 7:49. Get her back in the water. Oh, that was a good fish. Good bite. Okay guys, this is getting sketchy. Look at that. I think there's a thunderstorm coming soon. So hopefully it doesn't come within the time that I'm fishing here. That'd be dangerous. There's a fish. There's a good one. All right, that's fish number 5. Come down. All right, guys, 8:01. Fish number 5. Well, guys, that was a spill. Oh my god. Of course that happened to me. That's funny. I think a fish has it. Oh, he did. That was such a bad hook set. Didn't even drive the hook in. Gosh darn it. I have 5 fish right now. If I can just get, I don't know, say, if I could catch 3 more fish, I'd be happy. That'd be pretty good. If I can get 8 fish in an hour, I'd so be happy with that. Hey there. Uh-oh. Awesome. Oh, good. Came out alive, unscathed. Oh, no way! Get up here. Boom. 6. That's 6. And it is 8:09. 8:09, 6 fish. Guys, I only have 15 more minutes of fish. I gotta get going. Oh, one just missed it. One just missed it. I think I just spooked one on the bank. Oh, no! Dang it. I took my worm. Alright guys, that is it. That's all she wrote, 8:25. Guys, look at that beautiful view, that beautiful sunset. Alright guys, yeah, that is it. That is it for today's video. My hour is up. DC Bronzies, you have 6 fish to beat. Not the number I wanted. I wanted 8. 8 or higher would have been great. I missed 2 or 3, so I easily could have had that if I just set the hook right. But you know what? So it goes. It's just fishing. Again, shout out to Westo Angling for this idea for this vid in this little series we have. Round 1 again, as many fish as we can catch. So DC, catch more than 6, you go on. If you don't, I move on to round 2, championship round. Hopefully we can get it done, guys. Make sure to check out all of the videos. Check out McGrath Fishing, DC Bronzies, and Westo Angling. Watch all of them. You can see all our perspectives, everyone's fish that they catch, and it's just gonna be cool, guys. Just make sure to check them out, subscribe to their channel, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn that notification button on. Make sure you don't miss all the action. As always, guys, tight lines, keep fishing.